In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos via Dropbox tutorial. If you've ever had trouble emailing large images or worried about losing quality through messaging apps, this walkthrough will show you a simple, reliable way to share photos while keeping them crisp and intact. Start by locating the photo or photos you want to send inside your Dropbox. On the file list, look for the small checkbox to the left of each file. Click that checkbox to select your photo. If you're sending a whole gallery or multiple shots from the same event, go ahead and click the checkboxes for each one. You'll see them highlighted as they're selected, which makes it easy to confirm you've got the right files before you move on. With your photos selected, find and click the Share button. This opens a sharing panel or pop-up that shows your available options. Take a quick moment here to glance at the list of selected files so you're confident everything you want to send is included. In the field labeled Email, Name, or Group, type the recipient's email address. This tells Dropbox exactly who should receive the link to your photos. Right below that, you'll see a space to add a message. It's optional, but it's a great place to add context. Mention what the photos are from, any deadlines, or simple viewing instructions, so your recipient knows what to expect when the email arrives. Before you send, make sure the permission is set to Can View. This setting allows your recipient to open and download the photos without making changes to your files. It's the safest, most straightforward choice when you're sharing finished images, proofs, or any content you don't want edited. A quick glance here can save you from follow-up emails or confusion later. Now click Share File. Dropbox will immediately send a professional-looking email with a secure link to your selected photos. On their end, the recipient simply opens the email, clicks the link, and views or downloads the images at their original quality. That's the big advantage here. Your photos aren't compressed like they often are in text messages, so colors, sharpness, and detail are preserved exactly as you intended. And that's all there is to it. You selected your photos, opened the Share panel, added the recipient's email and an optional message, confirmed Can View permissions, and sent the link. Photos sent, quality preserved. You're all set. Done.